Dear friends, so today is our first revision lecture. During the last year, we covered all the areas of law in our collaborative lectures, and here with me today, a person who incredibly contributed in the set of lectures that we have developed, and this is Matthew Canning. Hello, Matthew.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Olga.
Just remind everyone, today we're covering dispute resolution, which also includes contract and tort. And Matt is a dual qualified, French qualified lawyer and UK qualified solicitor advocate who recently passed the higher rights of audience. And I'm going to talk with you about this exam slightly later. Just for general purposes, I want to explain how it's going to work with the revision lectures. So we will video record them too, but this not only some parts of these videos will be used to amend existing lectures to reflect the updates. So during our revision lectures, we will cover updates. We will answer your questions, which I'll remind you, you can ask in the chat either during this session, but we don't promise we will cover all the questions asked during the session because we have to cover the most important points, or in advance in the in the actual on the platform, so in the actual event tab. So we will handle monthly revision sessions covering groups of subjects. So for today we have, for example, dispute resolution, contract and tort. Next month we will cover public law related topics such as administrative and constitutional law, legal services, legal system of England and Wales.